the Asian Mall. Hop! This is part 2. Shoes. Look at that basketball. Wow. Look at that. Shoes.
Video ka pa?
Oo.
Mamaya ka na mag-video ulit pag di maganda.
Part 2 na po to.
Cut mo na.
Walang cut doon sa video. Walang cut sa video.
Oo. Wala ka sa skateboard video.
There's a man.
I know. Kia.
Ha?
Kia.
Mamaya ako sabi mo rin. Magbigay siya ng kahit. Hindi sa pamasahin naman lang.
Okay lang yung ano.
Hi. Saan ka na?
Dito siya makarating.
I think really girls like this. I think all girls like this. Yep. Definitely not that. What's up? Oh, man. Hmm?
Sino ba? Mamaya wala na tayo. Dad, si mga artista kayo. Saan ba yung exit pa ito? Thank you. Ano ang gagawin namin eh? Wala kang alam dito. Ikaw lang may alam. Siyempre, palo kami ng palo. Ikaw ang driver ngayon. Ikaw ang paluin na.
BRB.
Ay, si JJ!
Cool nga lang yung...
Kulit!
Nasaan?
Ay, yung tinuturo ni Ay. Ano nakita ko kanina?
Do not hide and seek.
Kasi
in the
dapat daw
store.
merong mga manikin na ganitong size.
It will be scary, this mannequin.
Tapos mapakan mo yung...
Scary. Oh, oh. Sorry about that.
Pamain mo.
There's some Is this real or not? No. It's not real. Look at that. Girls like this. This is the girls' store. This is the girls' store.
Tapos, pwede mo pa ibenta.
This is the girls' store. Girls. IKEA store. Ayoko. Team members only.
Oh, dapat ganito ang mga damit nyo.
Oh, no. Team
Ginawa,
members.
inaaway ko na si Jimmy. Mainit ko
Team members only.
Team members only. Ano ka ba?
Team members only.
Yung waist natin, nagsusuot na. Paano yan? Ayun, nag-shopping ang ano.
Ito ang mga ating pala.
Ay, yung yan. Ano ka ba?
Mama dress. This is boring.
Doon tayo sa may
Can we go skating?
Skating, mamaya wala pa.
Peace. Because Philippines
Saan na
wants
yung bata?
peace.
Na isa. Bata na.
Right? Philippines. Peace. So, PP. Huh. Get it?
Ayun ang IKEA, oh.
There's IKEA again. Stop showing. Whoa, whoa. This is Seaboard. Where is the seaboard? Whoa.
May brigo ka dyan. Yan dyan, ah. May brigo.
Oh, looks Garfield again. Stop showing.
IKEA.
It's just fake. But I can whistle.
Wala, hindi na makakasig audio.
Look at Sweden. And what is that? Look at the flags.
Ay, pares lang ba? Kapit, kapit.
Again, there's Philippines and Sweden. And what's that? What's that red thing?
What?
That red flag.
Pasay City logo.
Oh,
That's
great.
Swedish.
Look.
Okay.
Logo from the Philippines. It's the same thing.
Ano ba yun?
We're going up and up and up and up, up, up and up and up, and super up and up and up to the up world, and we're gonna go up to rock the spaghetti lady at Teddy. Can we climb? I can't climb.
Video mo sila.
Hello. So wake up, it's time to sleep. What? Wake up.
Good afternoon, customers. Today, we celebrate
Doesn't make
National
any
Day
sense.
of
Wake up, it's time to sleep.
a day of pride.
Dahil parang hindi mag-sense. Wake up, it's time to sleep.
Join us in the spirit of togetherness by enjoying our
Wake up,
wonderful
it's time to sleep.
Hindi ka nasisiyan.
Hindi po. No.
Siyan lang.
Look. Swedish restaurant. Great. Great. Wait, I can see. You can see.
Pag zoom mo ng ganon, ano mo,
There it is. Oh my god. Where are they? Where are they? Oh, in the back. Whoa, yum. Nom 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 nom. Wow. Oh. Wow. Wow. Whoa. Fire escape. What? Oh. Fire escape. Okay. Kids drinking. Colada. Bro, I'm not gay.
langgam ano daw maganda sa langgam ang ano. Ano na ba yung nakita ko sa ano?
Just from blowing things. No? fire escape door. Keep clear of exit. Gay. Gay. Gay.
Sige na,
Brush.
i-vlog mo na ito. Pang-ano ka mo sa pag makati ang likod.
Bro, look at this toothbrush. It's big.
Yeah, try it. Doon, dry.
We're gonna go to the stuffed toys world. Stuffed world. There's already some stuff. That's a dinosaur. That's a dog. I think. Yeah, monkeys. Oh.
Monkey.
Dry, ito gusto mo ba?
Lion gusto ko kasi Zion.
Lion, kami sa'yo.
Ha? Ading yan ni Dilpat.
Di ba gusto mo sa zoo? Nandito na
Look,
tayo na.
snake.
Zoo. May elephant.
Look, a snake.
Elephant, zoo.
Look, a snake.
Elephant. Ayun na, elephant.
An elephant.
Dahan-dahan lang.
A panda.
Shark. Ay, panda.
Panda.
Oh, meron pa din ng Ocean Park. Nandun na kayo sa Ocean Park. Sa kabila.
Oh,
May polar bear. May baboy.
Great.
Polar bear siya.
Polar bear. Looks like. What's that? Okay. Ito. Polar bear. Smiley face.
Huwag masyadong malapit na. Huwag mo lapitan masyado. Ganito lang. Ganyan lang ka lang.
Video mo din to.
Can you say hi?
Hi, look at this. There's an ocean. Here, video it.
Oh, look, it's octopus. Oh, my God. It's an octopus.
Whale. Whale shark.
Whoa, shark. Oh, you can fit your head in there, and there's a zipper. There's a zipper. Look. Look. There's a zipper. So, no noise can wake you.
Tara, punta tayo
Or,
sa may,
ooh.
punta tayo sa may sa may Mars.
Look at the other animals. Wait.
Dito.
What?
Yes.
Where?
I see some toys that we can just
Cars? It's just a tent.
but let's go inside.
Why? Don't go inside, bro.
We're going to the Mars. You go
Fluff
inside.
sig. What is a fluff sig? What is a fluff sig? Astro.
Tent.
That's not a camping site. What's this? Oh, some Legos. Legos. Looks Lego to me. Looks Lego to me. Dad, can I buy this?
Huh?
Can I buy this?
No.
What's that? Please.
We don't have enough money to buy.
So we're poor.
No.
We're poor. Look at that.
Come on. I like this.
Oh, panda. What is this? A cat. Let's buy this.
That is so expensive.
No. Let me see. Oh.
Si
What
Among
is it
Us, oh.
called?
Jake, doon ako nandun.
Where's this?
Planet.
There's it Among Us. Among Us. Next. It's a calculator.
Abacus.
How to use this?
5 plus 5.
Wait.
5 plus 5.
Oh. Next. Oh, slime. Is this a slime? Whoa. Not for 3 years old. Why? Whoa. Can I get this? Is this a sprinkles from a slime?
Now you look.
What?
They also have a playhouse.
Playhouse?
Yeah.
Oh, there's an
Look.
alien.
That's the one that I'm talking about. Let's go inside.
Whoa.
Let's go inside to the first one.
What's this?
Pasok tayo.
Shark. It's a house. Stop buying it.
But they also
There's
have
a
a
little
dollhouse.
house.
Let's go play. Hannah.
Play or pray? Next. Oh, there's an Among Us. Look at this. Alien. What does an alien sound? Quack, quack.
Come on, let's go
Oh,
see.
a little alien.
Let's see the other one.
Okay.
The other house.
The space
This one.
Oh, baby yan.
I
from
know.
baby. Here. Here's the space. Why is there a canvas here? Bro, mom said no.
Bro, why they put the stairs here so that they'll climb up to the bed?
It looks comfy. Wait, wow, there's no time to sleep. Whoa. Look at that.
Mom.
Look at this light. You need to study while this. There's the chair. Let me try. Whoa. Oh, no time to sleep. There's another bed here. It's cool and there's clouds. Great. I always like LED lights.
Another one. This one. This is.
Whoa, look at this.
Come on.
Okay.
This one. There's another tunnel there. Let's go here.
Why this? It's from a girl.
Come on, let's go inside. Come on, let's
here?
go
Girls
inside.
yan na.
This is from boys.
This
is from boys.
Have a boys there.
Yes, sir. We can play. Yeah, this is a house. What's this?
Oh, don't touch it.
What?
Don't touch it.
Why?
And cars.
Six? Whoa. Can we play?
Ding, 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 ding. May kutsi daw na darating.
Baka masira nyo.
Ding, 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 ding.
Okay.
Let's go.
Nag-drive ko daw, tapos. Nag-drive ko daw.
Gigi.
Here.
Nag-drive ko daw ng
Manolo.
kotse.
Manolo.
Wow!
Manolo. It's from Lago. That's some panda. Bro said no. Bro, mom said no. Next here. JJ. JJ. Look. Cool house. Cool house, right? Yeah, we're gonna go to part 3 tomorrow.
This